So a bit of an update on the Scania 143. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for an update on this and where we're up to. So we've got a few bits and bobs done on it. As you can see now, we have the rear lights working there, indicators and tail lights are on. Got a couple more lights that Glenn's just installing now. We have side lights down this side. We've got the wheel arches on. I'm going to be painting these hubs tomorrow on both second and third axle. Glenn's now just moving up into the flyer and start to mount the beacons, run all the loom up to that flyer. Pretty much all this is on its own individual looms now, so the way he's doing it is so everything's on a plug, so if the light does fail we can just unplug it and put a new one in rather than having to chop wires. So that'll make life a bit easier. We've got side markers on and side repeating indicators as well. Looking very nice. Got a lot of wiring stuff going on, so we're actually putting a new junction box in here. The old junction box is there, which is a bit of a mess, so Glenn's sort of disregarding that, disconnecting everything from there, and he's put a new junction box in here. All new wiring going in, so we've got a feed from the cab going in, and then we've got the feeds going out to the body, one per side. Again, make life easier, and then we're going to run a new loom up to the flyer as well, so that'll be on its own individual loom. We've got the Scania mud flaps on. These wings are now bolted on as well. They was loose. All the front lights now all work. Just flickers those headlights on, Glenn. We should have headlights as well. There we go. So we've got headlights, side lights, indicators at the front now. A lot of this stuff wasn't working, so again Glenn's had to actually run a lot of new bits of loom down to these and put new wiring and new feeds in. The old feeds was just so many repairs and joins in them, and they just wasn't working, so yeah, we did that. We've got the sun visor lights on as well. Just about make those out up there. Those are all now working. We're going to be putting some strobes in the mirrors. The mirrors already had holes in, and those just so happens that those strobes actually fit in really well. They fit perfectly. I'm going to be tightening this sun visor up tomorrow as well and putting the front facing mirror on. Again, down this side, got all side markers and side repeating indicators on. You can see the beacon up there that Glenn's ready for mounting. Same again around here. I'm going to be painting these hubs tomorrow. I'm going to be wiring these little pigtail lights up, back lights pretty much in. Again, just got this last one to do. Need to run some feeds down for the work lamps. I'm going to be putting some additional work lamps on there as well. I'll show you inside the cab. I spent a good few hours in here the other day, and I've got pretty much all the speakers wired in now. Half the dashboard is apart again, and the reason for that is, as I was saying, we're having to run new feeds down, so rather than joining into the old loom that was down under the body, we're actually running, or Glenn's actually running, full new loom down from the cab, so we know it's all nice and proper, so it's not all joined and full of bodge repairs. Got the soundboard all working now. There's some temporary feeds in there at the moment, and the reason for that is we don't actually have a 12 volt feed in this cab yet. Everything's 24. We was going to put a dropper in it, but I don't think a 12 volt dropper is going to be substantial enough to power the amplifiers and the sound system we've got in this vehicle, which is all 12 volt. So we're actually going to be running some 12 volt cables directly from the amps to one of the batteries to give us a permanent, well not permanent, but a good solid 12 volt feed. We are going to be fusing that as well. So we've got the head unit in there. Fits, well it's not fitted correctly yet, but it's in. It works. We've had it all operating. I've put some little speakers behind here as well. We're going to be putting some tweeters on the top of the dash on each corner. Once Glenn's buttoned up what he needs to do in here, all this stuff can be bolted back on as well. And then once we've done that, I can put the side cards back in, and it should look really, really nice in here once it's all done. It's a bit of a mess at the moment because, again, we've had to pull a lot of this out to get this wiring sorted. But yeah, there we go, guys. I thought I'd give you a little bit of a quick update. Not much of an update, but some of you guys have been screaming at me to tell you where we're up to with this truck. So that is where we're up to with it. Quite a lot of stuff going on with this. We are back on with it. I'm coming down tomorrow to crack on with some bits I'm going to start getting this front bumper sorted, which is just at the back of the truck there. In fact, I'll show you, I'll take you for a little look at that. It's full of dents basically, and we had this shot blasted and there was a lot of filler in it. So obviously now it's been shot blasted, it's blasted all the filler out. You can see just how much of a state that's in. So there's not really much more we can do with this other than skim it and make it nice and straight again, and skim all the dents out of it and get it painted. So that's my task for tomorrow. I will be putting a full video on, guys, of the work we've been doing on this. So I've got the flaps on the back as well, Scania flaps on the back, both sides, and I have videoed all this. So there will be a good video coming on this in the coming week or so, and I have documented and videoed all the work we've been doing. But I thought just for now I'll give you guys a bit of a New Year treat and put you in the picture of where we're up to with this old 143. So I hope you have enjoyed this little bit of a video, guys. If you have, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a like, give us a share. Please smash that hype button as well if you can. And we'll see you on the next one.